Hope you are all in good health. So I am very happy to say you that today is the last part of our chapter Control and Coordination. Here we are going to study the functions and dysfunctions of each and every thyroid gland which secretes some hormones. So today, as I told you, we have to study regarding these 5 glands which secretes different type of hormones. Coming to the first foremost gland, that is called pituitary gland, which is near the brain. It is having it secretes a hormone called growth hormone. So if it secretes a growth hormone, what happens? अगर उसका dysfunction कहाँ जाए? If I want to say you the dysfunction, its function is to secrete the growth hormone. If it dysfunctions, मान लो कि हार्मोन ज्यादा secrete कर दिया इस gland ने, if it secretes a more hormone, at that time what happens? The person will become tall, very tall. Not comparing to 6 feet or I'm not saying about that. 6 feet, 7, 8, 9, 10 feet वाला जो एकदम से लंबा ऐसे ऐसे चलता है ना, उसको बोलते हैं. If there is a secretion of more hormone from the pituitary gland, the person will become very, very tall. मतलब he is called as gigantic. If it secretes more hormone, if it secretes less hormone, at that time the person will become very, very short. I hope you have seen in the circus जो जोकर होता है, जोकर, some jokers will do dwarfism बोलते हैं उसको, एकदम बिल्कुल सा छोटा. आपके हाइट से थोड़ा छोटा उसको नहीं बोलते ड्वार्फिज्म, बिल्कुल भी छोटा, इतना सा छोटा रहता है ना, बड़ा आदमी हो जाता है लेकिन उसका हाइट नहीं बढ़ता, he won't grow. In that case where the pituitary gland secretes very less hormones, at that time what happens? The person will become dwarf. That is called as dwarfism. Apart from this, another function of the pituitary gland is to stimulate many other hormones or other glands. Like as it is near the brain, obviously it will show its importance, like वो commander जैसा role play करता है. So it is also called as master of endocrine gland. It stimulates other glands like thyroid gland, pancreas, adrenal gland, ovaries and testes. This type of it helps to stimulate these glands also. मतलब it does its work also. Apart from its work, he stimulates them. हाँ भी तुम्हें it's time to secrete the hormones, you secrete, and it's time to secrete pancreas. It has come your time to secrete the hormone. It will secrete. So it starts stimulating other glands also to release their hormones time to time. And this was about pituitary gland. It is also called as master of gland, master of endocrine gland. And next, if we will come for thyroid gland. As I told you, it stimulates other glands also. It will secrete TSH. What does it do? And it saves the thyroxine to secrete. It saves the thyroid gland to secrete the thyroxine gland. थायरॉक्सिन हार्मोन. तो जब ये थायरॉक्सिन हार्मोन सेक्रेट करता है वो it will be of two types, that is T3 and T4. Now we don't need to study in such a deep that T3 and T4. We'll just directly go for the functions of the thyroxine gland. What does this do? What are the functions of thyroxine? It helps in digestion and also it maintains the level of nutrients, its metabolism, nutrient metabolism, and also a mental growth in the children also, as well as the younger people also. Mental growth. It helps in all these functions. थायरॉक्सिन, जैसे जैसे थायरॉक्सिन सही मात्रा में रिलीज होता है तो हमारा डाइजेशन भी, और डाइजेशन विल ऑल्सो बी correct? And the metabolism of nutrient will also, the production will also increase, and it will be in a correct form if the thyroxine is released correctly. And next, the mental development, mental growth of the children, it takes care. This hormone will take care of these things. For the thyroxine, for the thyroid gland to release the hormones, it needs one kind of mineral which helps the thyroid gland to release these hormones called thyroxine. That mineral is called as iodine. Iodine. So where we will get this iodine? Yes, we will get this iodine what we eat from seafood and also with the salt which we usually take from the sea. यहाँ से हमें iodine मिल जाता है. So iodine is very important for the thyroid gland to release the thyroxine in a exact form. इतनी मात्रा में to that particular level. If the iodine is less in the body, what happens? There are so many dysfunctions for that. For example, in hilly areas like and all, they won't get these seafoods as well as the salt which we eat from जो समुद्री नमक होता है. They eat rock salt where there will be in a very less quantity of iodine present. नहीं के बराबर भी है आयोडीन उसमें रॉक सॉल्ट में बिल्कुल भी नहीं रहता या तो बहुत थोड़ी मात्रा में रहता. फॉर दैट दे मे कॉज सो मेनी डिफिशियंसी. व्हाट काइंड ऑफ डिफिशियंसी? लाइक दे वोंट गेट अ प्रॉपर डाइजेशन, न्यूट्रिएंट का मेटाबॉलिज्म सही नहीं रहता, मेंटल ग्रोथ सही नहीं रहता. और इन चिल्ड्रन इफ देयर इज अ लेस नंबर ऑफ iodine, this mineral is not if the thyroid gland will not take in a proper amount of iodine mineral, it won't release the proper amount of thyroxine. तो बड़ों में क्या होता है? goiter बोल के यहाँ पे इतना मोटा सा आ जाता है. That is a dysfunction in adult. There will be a disease called goiter. In children, mental growth will stop. So by this you came to know that how important iodine is. So we have to take the iodine in a proper if iodine is not in a proper proportion, thyroid gland will not release thyroxine how much it has to get released, and we will get these kind of dysfunction. So iodine is very much necessary to secrete the thyroxine hormone from the thyroid gland. So we have studied about pituitary gland and thyroid gland. Next we are going to study about the another third gland that is called pancreas. So coming to the pancreas, this gland, we are having two types of hormones which pancreas secretes, that is insulin and glucagon. As I told you that thyroid gland, इसमें अगर आयोडीन का thyroid gland में आयोडीन का सप्लाई कम हो गया तो बड़ों में goiter और बच्चों में mental development का growth कम हो जाएगा. And one point I would like to say you that government has released some funds and they have made some organization that in the area where people are not getting sufficient amount of iodine, like in hilly areas and all, they will make this compound in an injection type and they will inject that iodine compound in their body. Government has provided such facilities to the people who are getting less iodine. And regarding these pancreas, it secretes two types of hormones, that is insulin and glucagon. What is the work of this insulin and glucagon? Means it regulates the blood sugar level. It regulates the blood sugar level. Like first I talk about insulin. If the blood sugar level, and to this one disease is also connected, that is called as diabetes. का even a diabetic patient. So what is the work of this insulin here? Naturally जब body के अंदर वो hormones जो secrete करता है, when the blood sugar level increases, this insulin, it will bring down the blood sugar level to normal position, and it will the blood sugar level become normal. If the blood sugar level increases in our body, this insulin will decrease the blood sugar level with its hormones and bring the blood sugar level to normal. And second one, that is glucagon. When the blood sugar level decreases, what it does? It will increase the blood sugar level and then brings it to the normal position. So these two are having two types of different work. So it is being named as insulin. Blood sugar level increase हो गया तो decrease करके normal level पर लाता है. Glucagon, blood sugar level decrease हो गया, जितनी मात्रा में हमारा blood sugar level होना है, to what quantity the blood sugar level should be there. If it decreases, it will increase the blood sugar level, this glucagon, and bring the blood sugar level to normal condition. So this is the work of pancreas. Next, we will study about another important gland that is called adrenal gland. So coming to adrenal gland, which is situated on the top of the kidneys, these adrenal gland will work in very emergency situations. Like just imagine that we are having a great tensions. Like if we are मान लो कि एक शेर आ गया हमारे पीछे या कुछ ऐसे डेंजरस, वी आर इनटू अ वेरी डेंजरस सिचुएशंस. एट दैट टाइम वी हैव टू फाइट और फ्लाइट फ्रॉम दैट प्लेस. एट दैट टाइम दिस adrenal gland will secrete some hormones which increases our metabolism, like heart rate, respiration, perspiration, everything it increases. So it is also known as flight and fight gland. What it does, it increases our metabolism of heart rate, respiration and perspiration. So these all it increases and it will allow us to come out from that dangerous situation. Another example I can give you, if in an accident, if a hand cuts or any part of a body it cuts, at that time what we will do, we will just try our level best to go to the doctor. At that time it will pain a lot. तो मरने का भी सिचुएशन हो सकता है. If we cannot tolerate that pain, we may die. But at that time, this adrenaline, what it does, this gland will secrete so many hormones to fight that kind of situation. तो जैसे एक पेन किलर का काम करता है वो. It works as a painkiller. And then what happens? We will go to the hospital and we will take an emergency treatment and we will survive. In this way, this adrenal gland will help to fight. It is also gland as a survival gland also, because it releases the hormones in such a difficult situations. And next we will go for another fifth gland, that is ovaries. And so now this is another type of gland that is called testes and ovaries. And this, as I told you, in female, these type of hormones will secrete, that is called estrogen and progesterone. And in male, testes will release the hormones called testosterone. What does this estrogen and progesterone will do? It will take care of the entire femaleness. Don't study like that, like femaleness and all. Femaleness का मतलब है at the time of puberty, at the adolescence, the changes in the body, the entire body comes like the female will look like at that age, at the age of adolescence, you will see the difference between a girl and a boy, like body ka grow hona, voice ka change hona, so many. In the age of adolescence, I have taught you all those changes in the male and female. At the time of puberty, what all the changes will come, that is because of these progesterone changes which comes at the time of adolescence. After 12-13 years, the changes will come in the human body. A child will convert into an adult. And next, in male, testes will produce a hormone called testosterone, which is called as maleness. Like at the time, here also the same case. At the time of puberty, you can see the child the boy's voice will change. It will change, and there will be changes in voice, and also mustache will come, beard will come, and his height, his body growth, everything will change. By that we will come to know that these testosterone hormones are activating, and the child is going and he is converting to a male boy. And if I need to say the dysfunction of these things, at the time of childhood, if we drink milk in the plastic bottles or any other, where there will be so many chemicals. कांच का बोतल में अगर आप बच्चों को दूध दिए तो बहुत ज़्यादा बेहतर होगा, because in plastic so many chemicals will be there. Entire for 2-3 years, if continuously if you are giving milk or food in the plastic plates and all, what happens that the chemicals will get involved in the food, and the femaleness and maleness of that child may come down. I hope you understand. And this is the entire chapter, control and coordination. I hope I have completed the entire chapter. If you find any doubt, any questions arises, please write in the comment section. I'll try my best to answer them. Thank you, children. Bye-bye. Take care. Stay home. Stay safe. And we are going to continue the second chapter. Recently, I'll just upload the videos. That is the chapter electricity. We have studied a lot about biology. Now we'll go for physics. So in the next video, we are going to study the chapter called electricity.